I'm jumping right in today. Also, I think, yeah, that my camera is like gonna constantly adjust. Ooh, not good. It is like constantly like, what is it doing? All right, hopefully me being a little bit closer to the camera helps it to keep it bright. I do need to still like figure it all out, but let's jump right in. They put out the cutest new bubble mailers. I feel like they did this not too long ago, so maybe this is a restock. I don't remember what the prints were. They actually could have been like these exactly, but you get 2 pieces for $1.25. Obviously, if you're doing anything in bulk, this might not be worth it. But the prints are actually really cute. I do feel like I remember this ice cream cone one. Also, quickly, I wanted to tell you guys that my St. Patty's Day junk journal kits are live. They've already started going. There's just a few left, so I'm gonna link them down below for you guys. And back to the video. All right, I definitely have to play with it. So I apologize today for maybe the different levels of lighting. But anyway, so those were a really awesome find. Then I picked up these again. I couldn't remember if these are like the same colors. They probably are. So I'm kind of shocked to see a restock of these. This is by BI Beauty Intuition. And the first time that I hauled them, I immediately thought that they really gave off like a Kim Kardashian dupe of her makeup. Is it Kim I'm thinking of? Or I don't know if it's like Kylie maybe, but it's one of the Kardashians. It just kind of like looks like it. Not that it means it's like worth the pickup because of that. It just has like a dupe look to a higher end product. So that in itself I think is amazing to find stuff like this at Dollar Tree. So this color is really pretty. It is rosy pink. I am gonna swatch these. Because I did not swatch them last time. It says color right there. That's what it says. Like that is just, this is giving Kim Kardashian just because of how monochromatic this is. It definitely needs to like, you need to keep going like this, but pretty good quality. Okay, it's kind of surprising. This one is called Mocha. I'm most interested in this color because let me tell you, she takes me back to 1995, okay? When I look back at my school photos, girl, I didn't do my eyebrows and I didn't have any, so that was interesting. And then I was wearing brown lipstick. This is more like of a peachy brown. Okay, but like, look at that. That is the exact same color, if my camera would brighten up, as the packaging. So really cool. And then this color is in ruby red. This looks more of a fuchsia. So, and the packaging is giving fuchsia, but let's just, yeah, I definitely think there is a pink undertone here. I was kind of hoping for more of a classic red. There's a color that Kylie has called Mary Jo. She named it, I think, after her grandmother. MJ is what they call her if you watch the show. But like, it's such a beautiful red. Anyways, but here are the swatches. And also doing the wash off test. The only one that I think really stained me is ruby red. You can still kind of see it there. And then maybe a little bit of mocha kind of around the ends. Run to get these little candles because they are so cute. And I'm a huge Dollar Tree candle lover. Yes, as you can see, the wax is not even like filled all the way to the top, but when they put out cute ones, they put out cute ones, and they've had some with some like such amazing scents. I can't talk today, I have like my aligners in. Such amazing scents, and the little bumblebees are everything. This is brand new. Dollar Tree's never put out these little candles before. They would also look very sweet in a gift basket. This is vanilla, but there is no name. I actually don't. I guess it's on the little tag. This one's just yellow. And this is a sunflower. Birch and Vine. I don't know who they are, but this is supposed to smell, wow. That smells so freaking good. I'm definitely gonna guess that this one is vanilla. So, and both of them would look charming in a tier tray. Or like a little mini gift basket for someone. You know, a mug, some honey, just with a bee themed, a little candle, some tea. That would be a very cute little idea. Okay, next up, just a little restock. I recently discovered these. They're the Drain freshener tabs. I've already used all of mine. I literally used one every single day since I got it, and I decided to, I don't even know if you're supposed to do it every day. Oh, 2 times a week. Okay, whatever. Next up, I found some very interesting bath bombs. Like, that is just, okay. We've got a Doritos bath bomb, but of course it doesn't smell like Doritos because can you imagine if you actually smelled like chips? I don't know. This is supposed to smell like wild blue raspberry. So there's that. Of course, I don't personally want to smell like Cheetos, but it's orange scented. Also, who watches TikTok and who watches the Cheeto Girl? She's like ASMR, and her whole thing is that she digs through her purse and she's in class like a girl from the 90s, and it's so accurate, honestly. And she pulls out a bunch of stuff as she's going, and she sprays, and she doesn't really talk because that's her whole thing. It's like ASMR, and she'll spray her spray everywhere, and then she'll put on her lotion, and then she makes these faces. It's so funny. So maybe you don't know what I'm talking about, but I like her. I like her a lot. We've got Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops is, it just says scented bath bomb. Maybe this one actually smells like Fruit Loops. I don't know. Then we've got Lucky Charms, and it says the same thing, scented bath bomb. Maybe this smells like Lucky Charms because those would be good scents. You know what I mean? Doritos and Cheetos, not so much. Next up, I picked up a package of these little counting chips. You're going to see why sometime in the near future. That's pretty cryptic, but like, that's all I'm gonna say. Then I found some super cute erasers. If you don't know, I'll explain. Actually, let me go get it. So I explained while I was in Houston that I was gonna start collecting erasers, and I was eventually going to send them off to my niece. So I decided to pull for this caboodle, which is from Dollar Tree. Originally, I thought that I would do like a pencil case like this. Obviously not black. I would get her something like cuter, you know, for being 6 years old. So, but I've already started putting all of the erasers, the ones I got from Dollar Tree, the ones that I got from the 99-cent store. So here's my new find. You can't tell me this isn't a good time. And honestly, my niece might get it and she'll be like, what is this? You know, and is the gift really for me? You know, for me doing it and collecting it for her. And then we've got this one, which has a cute little, like sports theme. The bowling ball is so unique because you never get bowling at Dollar Tree as a sport. A blue football, I really love that. Soccer ball, I mean, that looks like a volleyball. I mean, is it supposed to be a basketball? And then a glove and a baseball. So this is a cute little set, honestly. And this does come off. That's really cute. And then the bowling ball and the pin are 2 separate pieces. So yeah, my collection is growing. I do want to keep going, but I don't want to fill it up too much because maybe, you know, the goal is also for her to collect some and put them in there. So I did tell you guys I would show you an update, so there's somewhat of an update. Next up, I grabbed these little labels, the Jot labels. Sometimes this, I don't know how this is gonna sound saying it out loud, but I'm gonna say it anyways. Sometimes I grab things because I just love it. I may not have like a use in my head immediately, but I'm just like, yeah, I'll get that today. This is that. I don't even know. Okay, then I found some very, very exciting new cards, and they are English to Spanish. I'm telling you, run. Because not once has Dollar Tree done this, and I'm truly blown away by this. So if you're a stay-at-home mom or you're homeschooling or like whatever, you just want your kids to learn Spanish, like here you go. My niece and nephew, my niece are learning Spanish like pequeño, okay? And I didn't get either one of those right. But anyways, these are there and they are brand new. So, hello, go grab those. All right, next up, I actually got some candy. I am shook by this because I really wasn't sure that we were going to get an update to the candy box selection at Dollar Tree. So this is kind of leaving me a little bit speechless, and it makes me want to go back and like get some more because there were definitely other options. But if you go to Dollar Tree, then you know there's a candy aisle, and in that aisle they have box candy like this. And it's always peanut M&Ms, like the standard stuff. They have like the fish and all that, but they've put out some new ones. So we've got Warheads. They also have this in a different flavor. This is the original flavor. And then I think they have one with like a berry or like a tropical maybe. Then I found these Jet Puffed Gummies. Honestly, so genius of Marshmallow, the Jet Puffed brand, to venture outside of a marshmallow and use the marshmallow image but creating a different food item. So that blew me the whole way. And then Snickers cookie dough. I have my aligners in, so I'm not gonna take them out, but okay. And then I found these Big Sky sugar-free peppermints. So freaking cute. Also, if you're just into junk journaling, once you go through your mints, keep this because this just looks really pretty and vintage. So love that find. And this was a little bit of a smaller haul today, but I'm gonna end it with what I like to think is a little bang. Sorry, some document boxes, and these were the colors that I found. Oh, love it, by the way. By Jot, no less, because of course, Jot is elite. It's the best brand, in my opinion, at Dollar Tree. A document folder. This actually would have been so perfect had I have like had one for Micah for each year of school, because then each year you can put their drawings, all that stuff. It's so hard to throw those things away. Like it just hurts I remember it would hurt my stomach to like even attempt to put, you know, the drawings in the trash because like there's, you know, so many, but I kept all of them, but they really would have all fit in here because they're just like little thin pieces of paper, and then you could just label it, you know, kindergarten, first grade, second grade. One whole color for 5 years or 6 or whatever could be elementary school, you know, couple years middle school, yellow high school. I don't know, like, I wish I would have done that. I mean, I still technically can because I don't have any of her stuff organized in any way, shape, or form. So you know what? I think I might actually do that. And I think I might do my color system of, you know, getting several. I'll have to get 3 for middle school, 6, 7, 8, 4 for high school, and then, you know, kindergarten through 5th grade. But that's what I would personally do with them. I think they'd be so cute for that. But of course, for your own documentation, just, you know, personal docs, just some great organization. Love to see it from Dollar Tree. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. I believe a Temu haul is following this video for tomorrow. And then you're gonna find me in some different Dollar Trees. Maybe in 1 state or 2 states. Where am I going? What states am I going to? What Dollar Trees am I gonna see? Stay tuned. Click subscribe, turn on the bell, and I'll see you there.